Location and geography. In the world map, India is situated to the north of the equator and in the center of Eastern Hemisphere. It extends between latitude 8 degrees 7 seconds and 37 degrees 6 seconds north and longitudes 68 degrees 7 seconds and 97 degrees 25 seconds east. Southern part of our country is surrounded by waters on three sides. To west is Arabian Sea, to south is Indian Ocean, and to east is Bay of Bengal. India has got 7 countries as its close neighbors. To the north are Nepal, Bhutan, and China. To the south is Sri Lanka. To the west is Pakistan. To the east are Bangladesh and Myanmar. India extends from 3,200 kilometers from north to south and nearly 3,000 kilometers from east to west. India has got diversity in land surfaces. Mountains, plains, valleys, forests, lakes, oceans, plateaus, etc. constitute its land surface. Land surface of India has been divided into following 6 regions: the northern mountains, the northern plains, the Great Indian Desert, the plateau region, the coastal plains, the islands. The northern mountains. A very high mountain range stands in the north of the country. These ranges are called the Himalayas, the storehouse of ice. Himalayas extend from Karakoram range in Jammu and Kashmir in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. There are about 140 peaks in the Himalayas. They cover about 250 kilometers length. Width of mountain varies from 160 kilometers to 450 kilometers. The highest peak of the world is also located in this mountain range. It is Mount Everest. It is in Nepal. Kanchenjunga and Nanda Devi are the other 2 high peaks situated in India. Himalayas run into 3 parallel ranges: the Greater Himalayas or Himadri, the Middle Himalayas or Himachal, the Lower Himalayas or Shivalik. The Greater Himalayas or Himadri. The northernmost range of the Himalayas is the highest of the 3 ranges. The famous peak, Mount Everest, lies in this range. Another peak, Godwin Austen, is the highest peak in India. Other important peaks of this range are Kanchenjunga, Nanga Parbat, Dhaulagiri, Nanda Devi, Badrinath, and Annapurna. Temperature in this range is always low due to high altitude. This range is always covered with snow. Glaciers are also found here. Glacier is a frozen state of a river. One of the largest glaciers is Gangotri. The rivers such as Ganga, Indus, Satluj, Yamuna, and Brahmaputra originate in Greater Himalayas and get water from glaciers when snow melts in summer. The Middle Himalayas or Himachal. It runs in the center of the Himalayas, running parallel to the Greater Himalayas. Mountains are covered with snow. It melts in summer. In this region, pine and deodar temperate forests are prevalent. Shimla, Nainital, Mussoorie are the main hill stations in this region. Of the Himalayas are the Hind Kush and Suleiman ranges in the west, the Garo, the Khasi, and Jaintia, the Mizo hills, the Naga in east.